Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I've partnered with Uncle Funky's Daughters to show you guys a cute summer hairstyle that I have done before, but it's been a while since I've rocked this hairstyle, so I think it's time to bring it back. So for this video, I'm going to be using the Extra Butter curl forming cream, the Midnite Train leave-in conditioner, and the Curl Magic Curl Stimulator. So for this video, I'm going to be doing 2 braids in the front and then have a wash and go in the back. That's what we're going to be doing. So let's get right into this video. So first I'm going to start by just parting a part down the middle of my hair, and then I'm going to be parting from ear to ear, and that's where the 2 braids are going to be. And I'm just going to section off those 2 sections. Now the part doesn't have to be even because again, it's going to be a wash and go, so it's not like it's going to be a style where you can see the part really. So yeah, if it's not even, it's okay. But then I just went ahead and parted that section into 2 where my braids were going to be. And this is what it looks like. It's not perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle and dampen that first section. After I do that, I'm going to go in with the Midnite Train leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray that to my hair, just apply it, make sure it's evenly coated, and then I'm going to detangle. After I detangle, I'm going to go in with that Extra Butter curl forming cream. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it to that section, and I'm just using this to moisturize that part that's going to be braided up. And then I'm going to go in with the Curly Magic just to kind of give my hair some kind of hold and smooth down any flyaways or anything. And yeah, then I'm going to start to braid. And I'm just going to braid all the way across as I'm doing here, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to do the same thing to that other section as well, and just be braiding in the opposite direction. Okay, so this is what the 2 braids are looking like. So I'm going to start on the back, and again, the back is going to be a wash and go. So I'm going to do my normal steps. I'm just going to go ahead and dampen that section. I'm going to go in with that leave-in spray, the Midnite Train leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be using the Curly Magic. I'm going to use like 1 or 2 pumps, and then just kind of just like smooth it in, make sure every strand is getting some of that Curly Magic goodness. And then I'm going to be doing the shingling method. So I'm just going to be taking curl by curl and just giving it an extra twirl just to kind of get some more definition out of my curls. And this is what it's looking like. Super defined. And I kind of need to touch up my color. It's kind of going away. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. As you guys can see, it looks bomb. Okay guys, so this is the final results. I went ahead and just sat under a hooded dryer to dry my hair. It was a little crunchy after I took it out from the Curly Magic, but I went ahead and just applied like a little bit of oil to my hands and just kind of scrunched that crunch out. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's a super cute, super easy summer hairstyle. Just 2 braids in the front, and I just added some of these gold clips just to kind of make it pop even more. But yeah, these are my curls. They're super defined, super soft right now. Like, look at this definition. So yeah, this is the final result. If you guys like this, make sure to leave me some thumbs up. Also, if you guys would like to purchase any of these products, you can go to Kroger, and if you go online at unclefunky'sdaughters.com and enter my discount code SUNKISSEDCURLS, you receive 15% off of your order online, so you save some money. So yeah, make sure you head over there and go purchase them. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.